Then you take the sandwich, you dippy. Here's how to make delicious slow cooker French dip sandwiches. I promise you, if you make this, you will love it. It's gonna be your family's absolute favorite. First, you wanna get about 3 to 4 pounds of beef roast. That could be chuck roast, pot roast, whatever. Put it in a crock pot and salt and pepper both sides. Add 1 can of French onion soup, 2 14.5 ounce cans of beef broth, and 2 1 ounce packages of dry onion soup mix. Mix it all together, cover it, and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. The timer has gone off. It's been in there for 8 hours. Let's see what it looks like. Bring this bad boy over. So we're just gonna check to see if the meat is cooked. I can already tell that it is. It'll just start to fall apart. You want like shreds of meat when you put it on the sandwich. So take it out and then you're just gonna shred the meat and then put everything back inside of the juices, okay? Oh, and it's dripping. Oh, it's dripping. Should I have the shredding tool? Yes. Do I have one? No, I just use 2 forks. Oh yeah. And it smells so good. That's fat. Don't shred the fat, okay? Just put the fat aside. Oh my gosh, why does it take so long to shred? Jeez Louise. That took forever. So if you're not ready to eat it yet, just keep your crock pot on warm because you need the sauce, like the juices, for dipping in the sandwich. For the sandwiches, you do not have to toast the bread, but I think it tastes better when the bread is a little bit crunchy with the sogginess of dipping it. So it adds just a better texture to it. These ones from Costco come pre-cut, okay, which is genius. Again, you don't have to toast it in the toaster. I just do it because I think that toasting it in the oven will take a lot longer than just putting in the toaster for a second. You want to put the oven to broil because you don't need to bake anything, but you just want to make the cheese bubbly. You'll be making this on the regular, I promise. If you want to impress like an in-law or like a person you're dating, make someone super happy when they're sad, make them this meal because they will love it. You are going to have the dip to dip the sandwiches in, but I even think it tastes like extra good when you make sure to put the juices on the bread. So I take like a big swab of meat and I literally paint on the juices because yum, and then I literally dip it back in. Do it on both sides. You are an artist today? What's his name? Who's the guy that was like the famous painter?
Leonardo DiCaprio?
He did do that in Titanic. Did you know, fun fact, in Titanic, when Leonardo DiCaprio is like painting Rose, that's actually not Leo DiCaprio's hands. That's actually the director, James Cameron's hands. He's actually an artist. He had Kate Winslet, the actress, dressed in a bikini when he drew that drawing. And then he like imagined everything else that was supposed to not be hidden in the movie. Do you get what I'm saying? But yeah, fun fact for you. Then you want to take your cheese. You're going to put it on the bread opposite of the meat. If you are on like a cheat meal day, this is totally a meal that is worth the calories. If you're going to eat bread, this is a good meal to eat bread on. I know there's so much flavor in the sauce, but you can't be too safe, right? So I always add a little bit of salt on the meat before I broil it. Okay, so this just goes in the oven. Stay next to the oven. It's on broil, so it's gonna go fast, okay? Take a little bowl if you have one. If you don't, just use a regular bowl. Take a ladle and ladle yourself in some yummy, yummy dip sauce. Don't be shy. That is for your sandwich. Let's go check on the bread. See how the cheese is starting to melt? I'm good with that. So I'm gonna turn off the oven. Bubbly, cheesy, gorgeous. Okay, this is the fun part, okay? Oh, I'm gonna take this big one, put the cheese on top of it. You could even like go crazy and put 2 slices of cheese, which I would totally do. Take your bread knife and cut, my loves. And then you take the sandwich, you dippy, and then, it's so good. It's like French onion soup, but like better. And with the cheese and the salt and like the onion flavor, it is so good. It's so good.
It is so worth the calories.
And it also stores well. So you can, hold on, let me finish chewing. You can make this for a couple more days. It's so good. Want to try a bite? Do you love it? It's good. It's good. I will link the recipe in the description and get these buns at Costco. They are the best with it. Let me know in the comments if you like this meal or send me some of your favorite recipes and I'll make a video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.